Georgian special forces have taken hold of villages scattered throughout Azerbaijan. Incredibly, Kombayn Nogolads appears to have been able to move thousands of troops across the border over a course of weeks, completely hidden from both local and international authorities through a high-tech. Number of Azerbaijani casualties are unknown, but early estimates number in the high.
The freedom-loving people of the world cannot stand idly by and allow an act of such staggering inhumanity and scale.
In their third day of fighting, U.S.-led NATO troops took 3 more Azerbaijani villages occupied by Georgian special forces. U.S. troops met only light resistance and suffered minimal casualties. The Georgian commando cells are becoming increasingly hard to locate as military intelligence suffers repeated. Kombayn Nogolads has vanished, along with his top military advisors. Speculation points to Nogolads' fear of a war crimes tribunal as motivation. A 2-minute webcast from locations unknown, Georgian President Kombayn Nogolads called America and its allies an army of scarecrows, declaring them helpless to defend themselves or their homeland. The precise nature of Nogolads' threat, experts fear, could make itself known within.
Fisher, we've uploaded your mission objectives. Grimstarter says the rig's encryption protocols are bulletproof, so we're gonna have to let one of Nogolads' geeks log on before we get a chance at any intelligence.
Why would they be holding on to this rig? It's not Nogolads' smartest play.
That's what got our attention. Nogolads is sacrificing several cells to hold on to it, so whatever's coming over the network must be critical. Mission objectives on your OPSAT.
Visual on hostile forces. We're blowing the bridge immediately. Repeat, blowing the bridge.
Bad news, Fisher. Something got the military's attention.
Oh boy.
Your rig just got bumped into the single digits on NATO's strike list. Find yourself a technician and get that data. Time just got scarce.
Everybody look lively. Our computer technician is returning with the encryption key. I need 2 men to meet him at the docking station and escort him to the data hub. Let's get this finished quickly. We're a sitting duck out here.
Identify yourself.
Relay alert from Philip Mass. We have incoming American warplanes.
Christ! What the hell was that?
That's our friends from the Air Force. Ground troops are imminent. We'll keep you updated.
We're under attack! We've sustained heavy damage to... American fighter planes! They're coming in again! Reports of incoming troop transport!
Jump.
You hanging in there?
See? It's still spraying. Yeah, I turned it off.
Sure you did.
I did.
It shocked my imagination.
Won't open.
Unlock it, you nit.
I did. I think it's broken.
What's the holdup?
It's this damn rig. Everything's...
Never mind, we'll go around.
Change of plans, Fisher. You're going after that technician, Piotr. We want the briefcase that's chained to his wrist,
Downloaded the data to that?
to a laptop inside it. Use whatever force necessary.
makes this worth the risk?
Who the hell are you?
Don't ask any more questions. Answers only fast.
I understand.
Why risk manually extracting data from a battle zone?
That's the only way. We encrypted with a non-transferable destroy-on-use hard key.
What's the data?
I'm just a messenger. I don't know. Something about an ark.
What's that?
I don't know. What little lads want most.
Where are you going to take the briefcase?
I don't know. I wasn't going to find out until I was on board the escape ship. Mass is a complete control freak.
Mass.
Please, I don't want to. Ah! Philip Mass, Nicholas' lead programmer. I swear that's all I know. Ah!
Great job, Fisher. Time to make yourself scarce.